Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Manaya here, and today I'm going to be installing and reviewing some hair that I was sent from Amazon. Right here I'm just showing you guys all of the products that came with it. This is Nia Wigs 100% human afro kinky curly hair. It is beautiful hair. I really like it, so stay tuned to see how I install the Mircolinks. So right now I'm just starting off by sectioning off the outer layer of my hair. All of the Mircolinks will go towards the center of your hair. If you wanted to do an updo or a ponytail, this is the way to make it look as natural as possible so you wouldn't see the Mircolinks. Now I'm going to start making my parts to where I want to put my Mircolinks. And I had to do one first just to get it right. If you have a blow dryer, I suggest blowing out your hair first. I didn't, so I'm just gonna comb out this section. And then I'm gonna take my plastic piece and put my hair through the hole and pull it through the circle part of the top of the Mircolink. It's a little hard to explain, but once you have the Mircolinks in your hand, you'll understand a little bit more. And I do demonstrate again. And then after you have it as close as you want, you don't want to have it too close to the root because you don't want it to be tight. You're going to take your plier, and yes, you do need an instrument that's going to squeeze that Mircolink onto your hair and grip it. And the plier does it very well. See right here, I take the plastic piece and pull it through my hair. I'm gonna pull up and my hair is gonna go right through that Mircolink and straight up to my root, as you can see. And then I'm gonna take my pliers again and squeeze that Mircolink right on there. The plastic part, as you can see it dangling, it comes right off and as soon as you pull your hair through. So I take the pliers and I'm gonna lock it in place. You might have to do it a couple times to secure. This is a couple of Mircolinks in, I would say maybe like 2 rows, 3 rows. And I'm just gonna start separating to see how full. And then I'm also going to spray my hair and set it into some 2-strand twists. That's the type of style that I want it to come out in. So that's how I set it. You can set it any other way you want. You can blow dry it, wash it. It takes heat, so you're good if you want to style it however way. If you would like to see a video of me styling the Mircolinks, you can check out my shorts video on my YouTube page or linked in the description. So this is how all of the 2-strand twists came out after I finished putting them in. I also took all of the plastic pieces and put them in a little plastic bag they give you. And this is the final look. I love how full it is. It's beautiful. Thank you guys for watching my video. If you want to see what these Mircolinks are all about, you can check out my description for product details. And I will see you guys in my next one.